Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are at Heritage Landing in Punta Gorda, and we're doing a video walkthrough of the Arrowhead floor plan, part of the coach line of condos that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Arrowhead coach home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage condo, and you're going to get just under 1,800 square foot in this layout. You do have the side entry for the downstairs unit here with the coach homes that you're going to find with Lennar. Now walking into the coach home here, you got a nice little entryway here, and this just opens up into your entire great room area here with your dining space, your living room, and this huge kitchen that just opens up to everything. You've got a nice corner pantry. You get a full appliance package when you buy one of these coach homes with Lennar as well. But nice and open and great use of the space. Now up here towards the front of the unit, you're going to find the 2 guest bedrooms, the garage entry, the guest bath, and the laundry room. I do want to point out that there's a pocket door here, so you can close this off and give all your guests the privacy they need. You've got the guest bath here, really nice size with the single sink, combination tub and shower, the commode. And directly across, we have the 2 guest bedrooms here. There's guest bedroom 1, and then we have guest bedroom 2 here. Directly across, you also have a additional closet here, which is nice for some storage. That is your garage entry right here, and then you have your dedicated laundry room here with full-size washer and dryer. Now coming across the great room area, we're going to take a look at the master suite here. Really huge master bedroom. That's a king-size bed, and there's still tons of space here. Even got a sitting area set up. You do have sliders that lead out to your lanai, which is really nice. 2 really nice size walk-in style closets here. There's one here, and then the second one here as well. And then last but not least, you have your master bath here with the standalone shower. You've got your dual vanities here, private enclosed water closet, and you do have a linen closet here as well. And the last thing to consider with the coach homes is your outdoor living space. You get a really nice size screened in lanai here with the coach homes. Really nice size under truss here. You get to enjoy all the views of the community that you're in here in Southwest Florida. All right, folks, so if you're interested in the Arrowhead floor plan by Lennar, we can help you out and find this plan in the Southwest Florida community that you're looking for. You can reach us at all the contact information below. Guys, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property. We appreciate you watching.